Welcome back to RGTV. Here is a very easy way to peel eggs. We're going to take our eggs and put them in warm water in the sink. We're going to boil our water. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and then we're going to add our eggs. You can see here that one of my eggs did crack, and that's what's floating in the water, but it's not a big deal. We can definitely use that for a different recipe. We're going to let these boil for 13 minutes. Once they've boiled for 13 minutes, we're going to pull them off the stove. We're going to place them in the sink with cold water and ice cubes, and we're going to let them set for about 10 minutes. Once they've set for 10 minutes, we're going to pull the egg out of the water. We're going to crack both ends of the egg and around. And you can see that the eggshell falls practically off the egg. This works for every egg. And I'm going to show you another one. Again, we're just going to crack each end and then around. And you can see the eggshell again falls right off. So give this a try, guys. Let me know if it helped you down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.